Scott's still working on the flip house. Come on in and see what we've done. We put some light gray paint on the walls. Let's go check out the kitchen again. We got our doors here to be installed and our new windows, dual pane windows. These are the nice new farm doors, the 2 panels. So we put in some lighting. I don't know if we noticed that last week, but we've got the recessed lighting going in. We got the family room over here again. Okay, let's go down the hallway here. So we're just working on some tile in the bathroom, around the tub. A nice brick pattern, white tile with a dark gray grout line. Very modern looking. Yeah. Got lots of recessed cam lights going in here. Walls look like they're all smooth and ready for painting. Actually looks like they did paint the gray color. Cleaned out our master bedroom, got our new window in. And take a quick look at the master bath. I haven't done a whole lot since last week, but always a little bit more finished. Okay. And the big shower. Here we have the big closet, in case anybody didn't see the other 2 weeks of video. Big walk-in closet. And we've got 2 bedrooms down here. Look, doors, yay! Almost a bedroom now. So this room is going to be really nice. Walk-in closet. And a great view of Scottsdale's Camelback Mountain. You could take a quick peek out the window maybe, if it'll show that. There you go. Okay, and let's go one other bedroom and then we're all updated for the week. New windows and our walk-in closet in this one. Okay everybody, hope you had a great week. And I'll look forward to bringing you back to see what happens next week at the house. Take care. Have a good week.